All right, let's get that wonderful cold crank start that y'all love. Black Knight, do your thing. Don't you just love the way that motor sounds? Don't you just love the way that cold crank starts? Oh my boy, my boy sound good. All right, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. Time for me to get my coffee. Let it ride. Hello, family, and welcome to another edition of Black Knight Mustang Lifestyle. Yes, today is the day that we go get the gears put in. Hopefully, we can film down there. It's a new guy, but my boy Hot Ice been using them for years, so he's real good. So hopefully, they'll let me film, and I can get a lot of detail in how what they do to do it. But first of all, y'all know we got to go get our coffee. Okay, y'all know it starts with coffee. Um, And that's a community coffee at the TA. Like I told, oh, at the TA. That's a community coffee at the Texaco. They got real good coffee. Of course, y'all know it's sponsored by Community Coffee. And y'all know we made our favorite stop at Jack's. Couldn't resist it. And y'all know I got my fries. And we also got our smoked sausage. So let's get ready to head on. So over here at they're taking it around back. So we're gonna try to get as much filming as we can get. They won't let us do much filming. But if y'all want to know what this at, this is Lee's Auto. So if you need to get your gears in, they do all kind of racing stuff. So we're gonna walk back here and see what we can get when I'm putting it on the lift and stuff. All right, y'all, I got Win right there. He's the one fixing to work on the Mustang on Black Knight. He's there raising him up in the air and get him up in the air and start going to work. He the man with the plan, so we'll see y'all in a little bit. So poor Black Knight got his wheels off, so they finna go to work. Got to pull the axles out and all that. So poor Black Knight, you 2 wheels short, but it ain't gonna be for long. All right, y'all. We'll get back with y'all. And the new bearings in, my bearings was worn out, so putting new ones in, top and bottom, on the gears, as y'all can see. So, them were the original burns that was on here, probably when the car was made in 2001, so we had to cut them off, as y'all seen in the beginning of the video. So, now we got some new ones on. It was time to do this, so glad they looking at all that stuff and getting it straight. So we'll get back with y'all. Okay, now we're over there doing shimming it, and the shims right, the gears. Testing out Black Knight. Got the gears in there. You can take it on down the road and test it out.